Welcome to the English quiz. Hi there, language lovers. Are you ready to put your grammar skills to the test? Whether you are an A1 beginner or at B1 intermediate level, this quiz is designed just for you. Today, we have 60 challenging questions lined up, each with 3 options, but only one correct answer. From tenses to prepositions, let's see how well you really know your English. Challenge yourself, learn something new, and see how high you can score. Let's dive into the fun. Will you be the quiz champion? Let's find out. What is the plural of cat? Which word is a verb? Choose the correct article. Blank apple. Fill in the blank. She to school every day. Which is the correct past form of run? What is the correct form? I, a teacher. Which sentence is correct? Fill in the blank. They at home yesterday. Choose the correct pronoun. Are my friends. What is the correct order? She very fast. Fill in the blank. It is book. Which is the correct question form? Choose the correct form. We at home. Which sentence is the future tense? Fill in the blank. I seen that movie. What is the comparative form of fast? Which is the correct possessive pronoun? Fill in the blank. You like to come with us. Choose the correct word. She has many books. Which is the correct past tense of it? Fill in the blank. They finished their homework. What is the correct form? We happy. Choose the correct sentence. Fill in the blank. She going to the store. What is the superlative form of big? Choose the correct question. Fill in the blank. I like coffee. The cat is hiding the table. Choose the correct sentence. Fill in the blank. They playing football. Which is the correct form of he is? Fill in the blank. I like dog. What is the correct plural of child? Choose the correct word. The sun every day. Fill in the blank. He reading a book now. What is the past form of see? Which is the correct negative sentence? Choose the correct sentence. Fill in the blank. They to school by bus. Which word is a noun? What is the correct form? They coming to the party? Fill in the blank. He in London. Which sentence is in the present continuous tense? Choose the correct form. She her homework. Fill in the blank. I going to the gym tomorrow. Which is the correct possessive form? Choose the correct word. They a new car. Fill in the blank. She working on a project. What is the past form of write? Choose the correct sentence. Fill in the blank. He the exam yesterday. Which word is an adverb? Choose the correct sentence. Fill in the blank. We at home now. What is the correct form? I going to the cinema. Which sentence is in the past tense? Choose the correct word. She a lot of money. Fill in the blank. They finished their work. Which sentence is in the present perfect tense? Choose the correct sentence. Thanks for quizzing with us. We hope you had a blast testing your English skills. Did you challenge yourself? How many did you get right? Comment below with your score. Did you breathe through or find a few tricky ones? We love hearing from you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification so you never miss an update. We've got more quizzes and fun English tips coming your way. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and let's see who can get the highest score. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious. See you in the next video. Bye!